Guys, so I'm making another face mask, my morning routine. So I'm going to be using the turmeric. I want to get rid of some scars I have, and my face is prone to acne, so I'm pretty much very consistent with my face masks. So what I'm going to be using, the turmeric, as I said. I'm going to be using some honey, some rose water, and sandalwood powder. You see, even it's almost done, so I have to get, after some few days I'll have to get, and this is rose powder. So each, I'm going to be taking, I'm not going to use much, I'm going to be taking a quarter teaspoon each. Because I don't want any to remain. So I'm vibing to some music behind there. And the honey, I'm just going to eyeball it. I don't need much. Guys, my face, if you could see me even in December, I had so many pimples. You see, this, I've been trying to get rid of it for the past 2 weeks. And then another one was here, but it's gone. But this one, I don't know. That's what I want to get rid of, and some here. But they're going to be gone. So I'm just mixing it all up into a paste. Then I'm going to apply it and leave it for 10-15 minutes before I head to the shower. Yeah, I'm living right in because of that pimple. I want it gone. Oh my god. I've really seen change in my skin texture, in my pimples. They don't occur anymore because sometimes I use the Castle, I use gram flour. I'm going to be making videos on all that. But this one, yeah, I think I'm almost done. So I'm just going to dry it or to wait it for 10 minutes. Then I want that glow, to